Good morning, Tennessee Yankee. Hey, down here today at the boat, I want to show you guys a real quick tip that I use when I'm taking my cover on and off my boat, and just something quick and easy to take your dock lines and get them on and off your boat. Okay guys, so what I have here for this setup is simply a stainless steel hook. This is trying to remember the name of this. I'll put a link to this in the description, but this is about a 4-inch stainless steel hook. Okay guys, so this is the gist of the setup. The whole idea here is being able to quickly unhook your dock line whenever you need to. So I have my dock line here with the loop, and then I have this 4-inch stainless steel hook here. The reason I wanted this setup is, as you can see, for my particular cover, and if you don't have a cover like this, it's probably not as big a deal, but a lot of the covers come right up to the front. They cover all the carpet. And then when you want to undo the cover, you'd basically have to take this loop. You'd either have to undo everything from the cleat, or you'd have to somehow get this loop out of the cleat here. So by coming up with this kind of system, whenever you need to, you can just quickly take it on and take it off. So how this works is, if we come in here to the cleat, I just have this set up with, this is one of those lashing or a soft loop strap that you would use to extend your tie downs. So I just basically took that, I looped it through the circular end, pulled it back through, and then I just treat this end like I would any other loop for a dock line, and I just run this through the cleat. And then now I have something that, again, never have to hook the dock line around that. I just use this. So here's a good example of what I'll do on the unhook. I'll just take that off, throw my cover through there, start unsnapping it. And then once I get it unsnapped, I'll just bring her back around and hook it up again. Likewise, when I'm redoing it, I'll just bring it back over, engage my snaps, do it here. Again, on my other side, this one's seen a little less sun. As you can see, it's not all faded out, but I've had these on my boat for probably 2 to 3 years, and they're holding strong. I think this would probably be your weak point over time with fading and whatnot. So yeah, I'm here. I'm gonna quickly loop my cover through, do this, and then I can take my time, getting my snaps in place. So I don't use this setup on the back of the boat. I don't need to back there because my cover doesn't cover it up. So in the back of the boat, I just use this loop that's on my dock line just around the cleat like you normally would. But up front here, I find this is just an awesome quick way to get in and out of your dock line. All right guys, thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful. We'll see you on the next one.
Hey guys, Tennessee Yankee. Thanks for watching. If you found this content helpful, go ahead and hit that subscribe button on your right. I have other content linked for you on the left side. Otherwise, we'll see you next time. Thanks again for watching.